Crypto F here. Before we go to today's topic, I want to say that this video is not a financial advice, it is my opinion only, and it is for educational purposes. Good morning. As of yesterday, we are deep in red. Bitcoin is down for 15% and everything else is down between 15 to 20, even 25%. The biggest loser is Bitcoin Cash, which is down for 44%. This is the result of fork and this hash war. So this is really dramatic. Maybe it is a good time to take a position in Bitcoin Cash, but it is very risky. So if you are familiar with the situation and you think you're on top of it, then maybe it's time to invest in Bitcoin Cash, which, by the way, at $200 is really cheap. Okay, Bitcoin is also very much down, 4,500. Wow, I didn't expect it to see 4,500 so soon, but okay. Market cap is at 145 billion, so very low. This is the first big underevaluation. I have been talking to you about that I am still waiting for big underevaluation, which at the moment 1 month ago we were still at fair evaluation, but this is now the first moment when we are hugely undervalued. So if we take a look at Trololo chart, current fair evaluation is at around 250 billion and our market cap is 145 billion, which is somewhere around 40% under evaluation. I am expecting to hit somewhere in between 50 to 60 or maybe even 70% under evaluation, which at the moment would mean around 100 billion. But I'm expecting to hit this under evaluation later, in the first half or in the middle of 2019, which might mean that in absolute numbers this is the lowest you will see, because 140 or 145, maybe if we reach 60% of under evaluation in the middle of 2019, when fair evaluation would be over 500, or let's say 500, so 60% of under evaluation would be around 200. 70% of under evaluation would be at 150. So something like now. The thing is that my lowest prediction for Bitcoin is 3,000, which is still far from here, but the fact that also altcoins went so much down, it brought us to this very low number already. So the question is this the low in absolute numbers, or we will see prices even lower? It's hard to answer this one now. If we take a look at the chart, Bitcoin's price at the moment 4,480 and keep dropping. Really interesting. Okay, I predicted a huge sell-off, and now I'm expecting a bounce back to previous support level, which turned now into resistance, so somewhere at 5800 to 6000 levels. At this point, if we get rejected, we can expect further sell-off, but if we manage to climb above and stay above, I think this will be the start of the new bull market, and we can expect prices to start rising or to consolidate and later start rising. In this second scenario, this somewhere here would be the bottom of Bitcoin. But I believe this is less likely. More likely, I believe higher probability is that we will climb back to resistance level and be rejected and see further sell off into the 2019. Okay, regarding my position, I expected a bigger sell off already here in these two candle bars. This is a daily chart. I expected to sell off here to 4900, and I was ready to take position at 4900, which didn't happen. Then we consolidate a little bit at 5600, and at that moment I said myself I am not going to take a position at 4900 even if we drop. But after I've seen this very volatile drop, this very volatile drop gave me confidence that we will bounce back to support, back to resistance level. So I took position at 4900 yesterday, which I regret a little bit now, because it would be much better to take position now. But I still believe we will bounce back up. Okay, we will see what will happen with Bitcoin. At the moment it keeps dropping, which is kind of surprise to me, but let's wait and see what will happen. Okay, that's it for today. If you find this content useful, please give it a thumbs up, and please leave me some comments in the comment section down below, and also please subscribe for more future updates. Cheers!